Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrishti and if you're new, welcome. I know I have been gone for a long time, but I am back with you know what it is in the title, and I know all of you are really excited to go through what I have bought. So the today's video is a huge Sarojini haul. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first item that I bought from Sarojini is this black solid V-neck top, which I really love because it is one of the basics that everyone must have. Also, the fabric of this top is so beautiful and the finishing of this top is very good. So there's no thread hanging out or anything. Also, it's not very see-through, which is what I like about this top. This is neither a crop top nor it is a very long one. It's the perfect size. Also, I love the sleeves on this one because I have fat arms, so I like to hide it, and these look very flattering on anyone. So you should check out shop number 188, and this was for 100 rupees, so it was a really great buy. The next two items that I bought were from the same lane, which was from shop number 188, and these tops were displayed on that circular thing which are put outside of the shops, and I took two of these tops and both of them were halter neck. So the first one is this white one, which I really love because its fabric is very good and also its finishing is very good. So most of the white tops have this problem that it is very see-through, but this fabric is thicker than usual halter neck top material. Like the other top that I bought from the same shop has a different material which is very stretchy. So both of these tops are halter neck, but they give a really different vibe. So I really love this collar thingy on this white one, and I loved how stretchy and lightweight it is. Like, it's a very breezy top that you can easily put on and go out. Each of these tops were 100 rupees, so I really love these because you don't have to haggle when these tops are displayed on that rack thingies. So the next three items that I bought are from a very famous shop which is quite famous for its range and quality of purses and bags it provides. So I bought three of these bags from this shop, number 199. But the only problem with this shop is they don't haggle at all. Like, they won't even give you a 10 rupee discount, so you need to keep that in mind. So the range that they provided was starting from around 200 to 1,000, 2,000 bucks. So it had a lot of different range of bags. So the first bag which I got is this sling box bag, and I really love it because it's trending right now a lot. Also, its quality is very good and it is very spacious, so you can keep all of your items in it. You can see it also have these sections in which you can secure some of your items, and I think it's very trendy and it's very lightweight and beautiful. I loved its straps. And these are also adjustable. Also, the look of this is very good. I got this for 350 rupees, and as I already told you, they don't haggle at all, so they won't give you any kind of discount. You will get this bag for 350 rupees. So the next item I bought from this shop is a baguette, and I have never really owned a baguette. So here it is, and I really love this one. It's like a really small statement bag which you must own. I know, just good and beautiful it is. Also, this lavender color gives such an Emily in Paris vibe. It is a statement bag, and it is one of my most favorite items that I bought. I loved how its chain and the everything on this bag is very good quality, and no one can say it is cheap or anything, and I only got it for 500 rupees, so I am not regretting buying this at all, and I am in love with this bag. The next bag that I got is a quilted white bag, and here it is. It has a very luxury bag kind of vibe, although I got it for 500 rupees. But just look at this bag, how pretty it is. Also, the chain that it has is so beautiful, and this buckle type thingy it has is so beautiful. Like, it totally gives a luxury bag vibe. And when I click this and open it, just look how pretty it is. It has two sections, and I really love it. This is going to go well with so many of my dresses, and it's just gonna elevate any of my outfit. So the next few items that I got are skirts, but I don't really remember which shop it was, but it was in the same lane as this 199 shop number, and these skirts were displayed on that round display thingy. So the first skirt that I got is this red schoolgirl kind of skirt, and I love it. I have been trying to find it online and everywhere, but I was unable to find this skirt anywhere, but I got it from Sarojini for 100 rupees, and I was so happy to look at this skirt. Like, it's very hard to find anything like this online, so I love that I got it only for 100 bucks, and that too so easily. On that same stall I bought two other skirts. The first one is this white and black one, which is a pencil skirt. It's very tight fitted, and I love how it looks. Also, it has this elastic thingy attached to it, which makes it fit you a lot better. The next is one of my favorite skirt, and this is another checked skirt. Unfortunately, it's not in my size, but it's gonna fit my sister. Now, leaving one or two shops, I got this another black tennis skirt, which I really love because its fabric is very different, and I'm sure this would cost around 800 rupees if you bought it online. It is very good, and it is very flowy. Its fabric is really nice, and also there are shorts attached with this skirt. So I got this skirt for 200 rupees, which is very cheap, and I really love this skirt a lot. The next item that I bought was not intentional, but it caught my eye. So the shop number was 163, and it is also a bag, but it is a snake print bag, which I loved. So also this shop owner also said that he is not going to haggle at all, and he gave me this purse at a fixed price, which was 400 rupees. But looking at this skirt and the chain that it has, I'm gonna say that it was a worth it buy, because it's very beautiful, elegant, and it also looks like it's one of my luxury bags, but it's not. I got it only for 400 rupees. It has 2 sections and it's so beautiful. I love the finishing on this bag, and it also has these small things to just set your purse somewhere and it's gonna stand. In between there was this lane which has a huge range of lingerie and undergarments. So from there I bought this yoga pants, which I got for 150 rupees, but its quality is really good. And this logo, which is, I don't know why there's a Nike logo on it, but this quality yoga pants I have bought from somewhere which I don't remember, but these are so good and they are so pretty. Like, you can easily wear these to the gym, or you can just wear them at home. The next item that I bought is from shop number 16. So I originally went there to buy a really cute rouge top which I saw, but instead of buying that top I bought a pair of sandals, and these are the sandals, these transparent looking ones, and I have seen that these have been trending a lot. I always wanted these, but wherever I tried them, they had this problem where my feet would hurt from the plastic. But I don't know how, surprisingly, the position of these are so perfect that they don't hurt me at all. And I got these for 400 rupees, which is very good. These heels are also very comfortable and it's not like it's gonna break. So now moving on to the last 2 items that I bought were, one was this orange off shoulder top which I got, and the other is this one. Both of these tops have different quality, but I really love both of them. So this is in a nude color while this one is a rusty orange color. So I loved how they fit and it is very beautiful. I got each of these tops for 150 rupees each. Now I don't really remember at which shop I bought these, but I'm assuring you that these kind of top you can find anywhere. Like, these were available at any shop in Sarojini. So this was it for my today's Sarojini haul. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to press that bell icon so you never miss a video from me. Also, I have noticed that 99% of the viewers on my channel are not subscribed. So please don't forget to press that subscribe button. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, please comment down below what more videos you want to look at. And I'll be seeing you soon. Bye. K love.